Hi friends, welcome back to All Rounder Kathy. In this video, we are going to make a costume from the movie Barbie Starlight Adventure. So let's start. Actually, I didn't get any exact color for the costume, but I think this is okay because I didn't find any pink color starred material. So I'm using this. So first let us start from the leggings. Measure your doll and cut the needed size. First attach both the pieces together. Then hem both the legs. I have folded the leggings near the hip cause it's so transparent. Take a piece of fabric for the top. Hem the top side. Now hem both the sides. Now, for the skirt of the costume, take a square piece of fabric and cut a circle like this. Now, fold the fabric like this and cut a circle for the hip. Then hem the top and the skirt together. Attach velcro to the top. Finally, Barbie also wears a lots of accessories in the movie. So let us make them using this foam sheet. Draw and cut the needed shapes. Glue them all to pieces of satin ribbon. After gluing them, tie them to your doll so that we will get removable jewelries. Actually, I don't have any silver boots, so I'm using this one. So, this is the final look of our Barbie. Hope you like this. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Bye, see you in next video.